Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. How are you today? Very nice to meet you in this video. And of course, still with me, Zairatul Badriah. Okay, for this meeting, actually we have a new discussion about grammar, especially simple past, future tense. Oke guys, pada kesempatan kali ini kita akan membahas mengenai simple past future tense. We are going to discuss the simple past future tense. We divided into a few sections of that. The first material is definition, the second is formula, the third is function, and the last is example. Definition simple past future tense. Jadi, apakah simple past future tense itu? Jika diartikan, past adalah masa lampau dan future adalah masa depan. Lalu, bagaimanakah pengertian yang sebenarnya? Well, let's study it together. Simple past future tense is a tense used to express wishes that don't come true. Jadi, simple past future tense itu adalah sebuah tenses yang digunakan untuk mengungkapkan sebuah keinginan yang tidak terwujud atau sebuah rencana yang gagal. This form of tenses is used to express actions that are both voluntary and planning to make prediction and make promise in the future in the past. Jadi dikatakan past future tense karena si pelaku ini melakukan sesuatu di masa depan tapi gagal karena suatu hal di masa lalu. Formula of simple past future tense. Formula of simple past future tense. The past future tense formula is form past modal form, will or shall, so it become would or should and bar infinitive. Jadi simple past future tense dibentuk dari bentuk kedua dari will dan shall, yaitu would and should and bar infinitive. Aside from the rule, the past future tense can also be formed from auxiliary verb be, am, is, are, become, was or were, and present participle going to and bar infinitive. Past future dibentuk dari auxiliary verb be, was, or were, present participle going, and infinitive. Jadi terdapat dua rumus dasar yaitu word and bar infinitive, second, was or were, and going to and bar infinitive. Untuk lebih jelasnya, kita akan mempelajari tentang rumus simple past future tense dalam bentuk kalimat positif, negatif, dan interrogatif. Okay, first positive formula. Subject and should and would and bar infinitive. Second subject, was or were, and going to and bar infinitive. Example, I wish you could come to my house because today's my birthday. Tasha was going to read a new book. Negative formula. Subject and would and not and bar infinitive. Second subject and was or were and not and going to and bar infinitive. Example, Mr. Joko would not speak English. Leah wasn't going to give two beautiful books to her friend. Interrogative formula. Should or were subject and bar infinitive. Was, were, and subject and going to and bar infinitive. Karena kalimat interrogatif maka harus menggunakan tanda tanya. Example, would he forgive you? Was she going to read a magazine? Simple past future tense memiliki keterangan waktu. Antara lain adalah the day before, the month before, last week, yesterday, last year, the next before, just now. The third material is function of simple past future tense. Oke, berikut merupakan fungsi dari simple past future tense. The first function is suggest an activity that would have happened in the past but it didn't. Second, shaping a more polite question. The third, to create conditional sentence type 2. The fourth function is to declare a voluntary action. The fifth, to be used to make a promise or word. The last, to suggest something. The last action is example of simple past future tense. First example, I wanted you to watch a movie if I won the game. Saya akan mentraktirmu nonton film jika saya menang game. Last week, we would like to visit you, but the weather was so bad. Minggu lalu kami ingin mengunjungimu, tapi cuacanya sangat buruk. Simple past future tense juga memiliki kalimat aktif dan pasif. Aktif memiliki formula yaitu subject and word and verb 1 and object or complement. Example, she would eat many cakes past. Dan kalimat pasif memiliki formula yaitu subject and word and be and verb 3. Example, many cakes would be eaten by her past. And we have come to the end of video. Thank you for watching and see you in the other video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.